Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to freeze location on iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to freeze your location on iPhone, you can either disable your location service completely, which will prevent any app from using your location, or use an airplane mode. For example, if you're gonna simply open Find My Device and tap on the Me icon on the bottom right hand side of the corner, you can find a toggle showing Share My Location. Simply switch that toggle to the left hand side and this will allow you to go completely freezed on your location. However, if you don't want to do that, then other method to do so is simply scroll down your menu bar and there you can find an airplane like option. Simply tap on it and this will allow you to go in your airplane mode. That will also help you freeze your location on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.